Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing your base. A 6x8 or A5 notebook is ideal because it fits mixed ephemera easily. Start right away, sort 10-20 scrap papers into piles by weight and color. This helps balance the spread. Fold thicker items to match spine, and use a ruler and bone folder so pages sit flat. Once done, mark which papers will be full page, tuck, or a pocket. This early plan saves time later and avoids random bulky sections. Now you assemble spreads. Place a center page, then layer ephemera left and right, keeping visual weight balanced. Attach pockets and tuck spots where you want notes or tags. Aim for 1 to 2 interactive elements per spread so it stays usable. Use thin glue on flat paper. Apply tape at corners for heavier pieces. Make sure to press and dry each spread flat. This prevents warping and flip through as you go to confirm flow between pages. To finish, decorate selectively. Washi, stamps, and labels give cohesion without bulk. If the signature feels loose, sew a simple pamphlet stitch or add a few discreet staples near the spine. This secures the whole book. Make sure edges are trimmed for neatness. If something goes wrong, say pages warp or stick, press the journal overnight under heavy books, and when needed, slide wax or baking parchment sheets between spreads. This separates pages and prevents adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.